Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. Let k be a constant and suppose that the function f of s equal to s to the power of 3 when s is greater than or equal to number 0 and f of s equal to ks when s is smaller than number 0, then f is differentiable at number 0 4. So I will show you how to answer. First, we need to do first the derivative of the function f of s when s is greater than or equal to number 0, and first the derivative of the function f of s when s is smaller than number 0. So for this one, that's about this one in here. First, the derivative of s to the power of 3, you got about 3s to the power of 3 minus 1. So this one we have number 2. Now let's go to this one. First, the derivative of s, you got about 1. So k with number 1, you got about k. Now on the question, they want to find differentiable at number 0. That means if we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here, they should be about the same value. So when we put number 0, this one you got about 0. So we have number 0 in here. After we put number 0 in here, you got about k because we don't have s. So we have k in here. And this is the answer. And we just choose about D. This is the end. Thank you for watching.